Welcome to JOBO's For Your Best Image video series. This video covers the Nova system slot processors and archival washers. Other videos in the series cover the ColorStar 3000, JOBO Autolab processors, enlarging tools, and more. These videos are intended to familiarize you with our products through presentation and demonstration. Nova processors and washers are made in England. They are made with the highest quality materials, and great care is taken to maintain this excellent quality through all stages of production. Nova products have been sold in England and Europe since the early 1980s. We are happy to present them here and make them available to you through quality retail photo suppliers throughout the United States. Nova processors provide a practical method of producing hand-finished quality prints. They are vertical, manually agitated, and temperature-controlled tanks. Since they are vertical, they require minimal darkroom space. Temperature is accurately controlled to within 1/4 degree centigrade. The Clubmate processor contains 3 tempered chemical tanks and an integrated wash tank in 8 by 10 inch and 12 by 16 inch sizes. For 16 by 20 inch size, the 3-tank processor, called a Trimate, is independent from the vertical washer. The Quad processor contains 4 tempered chemical tanks. It is available in 8 by 10 and 12 by 16 inch sizes. Vertical washers are available separately. The chemical tanks are V-shaped at the top, which makes it very easy to insert prints. The tank walls are textured to prevent print adhesion during processing. Each tank has a drain valve. All processors are tempered by a thermostatically controlled water jacket. For the most convenient processing, place your Nova processor next to your enlarger. If you're building your darkroom, maximize your convenience by recessing the Nova processor in your enlarger table. Setup is simple. Begin by filling the water jackets and tanks with water. Adjust the thermostat to produce the desired temperature in the developer tank, and you're ready to go. You do not need to recalibrate the processor unless you change chemical processes. Once it's calibrated, drain the water from the solution tanks and fill the tanks with fresh mixed chemicals. For our demonstration, we're using JOBO's Master Class RA at 35 degrees centigrade. The print clip is uniquely designed to hold a print with 2 very small pins. The pins hold the print approximately 1 millimeter from the edge. With the Nova processor, making prints is very fast and easy. Expose a print, attach the print to the Nova agitation clip, position the paper against the side of the first tank, then lift and slide it into the developer tank. Immediately begin a gentle circular agitation pattern. You can raise the print for inspection. This way you will know the correct side was exposed and whether the image is close to the correct density or not. After the proper amount of time, pull the print out of the developer and into the stop bath. Use the edge of the forward tank to wipe off excess chemical from the back of the print. Notice the paper is constantly in contact with the processor, guiding the print to the next tank. After agitating for about 15 seconds in the stop bath, raise the print and transfer it into the bleach fix solution. Agitate as described before for 1 minute. Then into the integrated wash tank. After about a minute in the tempered wash, remove the finished print and dry it in the RC Jet print dryer, which is capable of drying prints up to 13 inches wide. The print clip requires only a clean water rinse and a shake, and it's ready for another print. Your Nova processor is not restricted to processing just one print at a time either. Once a print is past the developer, you can begin another. You can process as many as 30 prints per hour. To replenish the chemicals, simply drain off the appropriate amount and top off the tank to the bottom of the V. Replenishing your chemicals provides the most consistent processing while maximizing storage life. Follow your chemical supplier's recommendations for replenishment. When you've finished printing, simply place the tubular lids in the tanks, making sure the odd-colored tube is always in the developer tank. Turn the rinse water off, wipe the top clean, and you're done. It is recommended that you store your chemicals in the Nova processor for greatest convenience. With your Nova processor always filled and replenished, you can virtually enter your darkroom, remove the lids, expose a print, process it, and leave. There is virtually no setting up required, and cleanup is quick and easy. Nova processors provide the fastest, easiest, most convenient, and economical printmaking system available today. Nova archival washers are constructed of heavy-gauge acrylic for strength and durability and are available in 12 by 16 and 16 by 20-inch sizes with 13 slots. A 20 by 24-inch 5-slot unit is also available. The washer can be installed virtually anywhere with standard plumbing for input and drain. It does not require a sink. Each compartment circulates independently of the others, so the last print inserted will not recontaminate the first. The washer remains full even when the water supply is off. Water is fed into a manifold where it is forced into the separate compartments and circulates upward and over the weir and then drained through a common outlet. Print compartments are separated by thin sheets of textured acrylic material which prevents print adhesion. A Nova print clip holds the print suspended. One print clip comes with each washer. Wash times vary depending on your method and time of fixing, temperature of the water, whether a wash aid is used, and degree of permanence required. By removing separators, you can even use the archival washer for film. It is important to choose the processor that's right for you to assure complete satisfaction. For color prints from negatives as well as black and white processing, the Clubmate is recommended. For all other processes, including Ilfachrome's P30 and P4 processes, the Quad and a vertical washer are recommended. For black and white processing, the archival washer is recommended. The archival washer is also a nice option for use with either the Clubmate or Quad. Thank you for taking your time to view this video on Nova processors and archival washers. We hope it has been informative and helpful. For the easiest, most convenient, and economical system available for hand finishing high-quality prints, we confidently recommend using Nova System products for your best image.